In 2006, in December, I stepped on a toothpick, and I got most of the splinter out, and it began to swell and be very painful. So I came to the hospital. At that time, I was living in Frederick. They looked at it and said, well, there's a problem, we're going to keep you. Dr. Brenner was on duty at that time, and she was going away. And so she looked, she said, well, I'll, get somebody to look at it for you. However, a couple of days later, it just really was badly infected, and she came back. And she talked to me, and she said, I think you're going to lose the toe. And I was very upset, and I told her I didn't want to do it, and she said, look, I'm going to do it. And it became an issue of whether or not I was going to keep my toe or my foot or my life. So I had to make a decision. She did operate. She took the toe, gave me fantastic service, always very caring, very concerned about how I felt, what was going on. She had some concerns that I might lose an additional toe or the foot. But she worked with me. I would come in and she would treat me, and we moved to Baltimore. I still come here because of her caring and her excellent, outstanding care of my foot. I told her when I was released from the hospital that nobody would ever touch my foot except her, because she's just great. Her manner with you, her presence, how she makes you feel very comfortable about what's going to happen and what is happening, and how she treats you is just phenomenal. So I wouldn't go anywhere else. I think she's the greatest person. She saved my life as far as I'm concerned, with the way she handled my particular case. And I'm very grateful for having met her and having her in my life.